very pleasant afternoon, actually. I mean, we've got a little bit of sunshine peeking through, and really the weather is relatively quiet until we get to the remnants of Debbie coming through here. Now, the big story, of course, is the track has shifted more and more to the west, and because of that, the heaviest rain is going to go to the west. It's also speeding up. Right now, it's just creeping along, 3-4 miles an hour. But once it gets here, it's going to come through at about 30-35 miles an hour, and because it's to the west, and because it's going faster, I think we may actually see some improvement by Saturday afternoon. So this is the area most likely to see some flooding rains. It's west of Albany. We will keep an eye on it because obviously a shift one way or the other of a few miles can really have a big impact on how much rain we get out of it. But right now everything's kind of focusing more off to the west than anything else. Here you can see right now it has moved back offshore. It looks like it'll move back inshore as we head toward later on tonight. And it's gained a little strength out there. Maximum sustained winds at 60 miles an hour. So it is still below hurricane status, but it's a fairly strong tropical storm at this point. And look at this moisture, just keeps spinning around and around. They stopped measuring rain in inches. They measure it in feet now because it is getting so heavy down there in some areas. Some areas picking up over 1.5 feet of rain so far. Here's the track that it will take. And remember, it's going to lose its tropical characteristics as it comes in here, but it's a big wet sponge. And that's why we're concerned about some flooding rain. But as I pointed out, as the track goes farther and farther to the west, it's going to keep the heavier rain farther and farther off to the west. So here's what's going to happen. We have a chance of seeing some showers in here tomorrow afternoon. Really not associated with Debbie. It's just we've got moisture hanging around. We've got frontal boundaries, little disturbance coming through. So look for some scattered showers tomorrow afternoon. And then kind of a quiet period. Friday's got a few scattered showers in it with a lot of gray skies. But the actual storm itself really comes in here Friday night. And you can see where it's focusing, really from Albany out to the west. This is Friday afternoon at 4 o'clock. This continues to track its way to the north. So I think as we head towards Friday evening, that's the time you're going to expect some downpours out there, perhaps some lightning and thunder. We'll keep an eye on those storms because they can get quite strong. Now, as this lifts its way to the north, look what happens. We have some showers on Saturday morning, but by Saturday afternoon, we're clearing it away. But let me break it down a little bit more for you and show you what happens. First off, not much going on tomorrow. We have some sunshine in the morning, clouds come in the afternoon, and by about 8 o'clock tomorrow night, we're tracking some showers across the area. Light stuff, hit or miss. It's going to be with us through Friday as well. Friday's got kind of some scattered showers, but it's really Friday night when we get this line coming through. This is 8 o'clock at night. Moving through Boston around 10, hanging with us till early Saturday morning, and then it is gone, and the skies are clearing away and refreshing air moving in. So as far as rainfall totals are concerned from Debbie, looks like we could get about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. You do get farther to the west, we could still get a couple of inches. We can handle that. If we got into that 3 and 4 inch category, then we would have some problems. But right now, we'll still keep them impact weather days. We keep an eye on Friday and Saturday. Tomorrow, just a few late day showers in there. You'll also notice the temperatures. I bumped them up a couple of degrees. It looks just a little bit warmer as this system tracks its way farther to the west. So Sunday, 82 degrees, sunshine, fairly comfortable humidity. It looks really nice. And Monday looking nice as well. And even the showers you see on Tuesday, those are kind of scattered in the afternoon, really pop up more than anything else. The big story, of course, will be Friday night into early Saturday morning. We'll keep you posted on it. Ben?